Alright.
Yay!
Woo! Yeah. Yeah, I gotta keep going.
Yay! Yay!
Wait a second. Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god! I wish Roxy were here. She's my best friend after all. She would have enjoyed running around too. Could have done more parkour stunts if she was here. Speaking of which, I think she's in. I am so out of breath! Ah! Gary, honey. Gary, sweetheart. What, Mom? Come on. What? It's time for lunch. Is it? What time is it right now? I had to do that. I'm gonna get bad luck. I wonder what my wish is gonna be if I did it right. Okay, had to get in the shade for a second. Gary, lunch. Okay, Mom, damn. Time to go home. Okay. Now I'm home. What is for lunch anyway? Okay. I wonder what's for lunch anyway. Oh, there's eggs and stuff and what is happening? This is like the nether portal from Minecraft or something. What the? Gary? Did you just go in the refrigerator? PJ, what's up? Hey Roxy, what's up? So, what, you want me to come over or something? Is Gary there? Oh, I see. Gary wants to play Minecraft. Okay. Yeah, wait, which world? So, you know the refrigerator, right? He's grabbing something to eat out of it, even though his mom's making food. He thought it was in there. So, it was basically like a portal because he just went into the refrigerator and it closed on him. So, and I opened it and he wasn't there, so. Yeah, I kind of need you to come over and we're going to try to find him. Roxy, do you hear yourself? But I have nothing else to do today, so I'm in. I'm literally like down the block, so I could just walk over there. Alright, see ya. Yeah. Something to do, finally. Alright, so what's up? Oh wow, you got here pretty quickly. Yeah, I have nothing else to do today, so. Alright, yeah, so he's in the refrigerator. It's kind of confusing, but I know what happened. I mean, even weirder stuff happened in this world, so. Alright, come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay, show me. Okay, so He went through here like this. He opened the doors and yeah. See, it's happening. It's happening. Roxy. Wow. Oh no. Ah! Why is it so cold? Because we're in a refrigerator. Come on, I think he's this way. Why is it so cold? I don't know. Let's go that way. Alright. Come on. I think it's this way. Roxy. I'm the best. Come on. We're almost there. I promise. We'll be there soon. Come on, Roxy. Just a bit further. What happened? What? Can I spend the night after this? Sure, it's a Friday. Who's that? How dare you! Cut to real! You! Stay out of my room! Whoa, dude. Like, calm down. Lucky you! Oh gosh, she's scary now. When did you get this terrifying? We're just trying to grab my crush and go home, and you are messing that up. Leave me alone. Leave my friends alone. What'd she get so scary? Snowball attack! Huh? Dang, Roxy. Sorry, PJ. Sorry I had to see that. Let's go. I mean, I could have beat him up because I'm like the brute, so. How are we gonna find him? It's under this. Gary? You okay? I'm cold. I just... Alright, rock, paper, scissors, who drags him home? You really want to know? Whoever wins, drags him home. Oh, easy, I'm gonna lose. So I'm not dragging him. Yeah, it's whoever wins instead of whoever loses. Alright, ready? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Shoot. Oh, I won? I lost! I don't have to carry him. That's your fault. Snow. Come on, Gary. I'll just take you home. I mean, at least you're not heavy. It's gonna be easy to carry you home. At least we got him safe and home now, so. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, where's Gary? PJ, what are you doing here? Oh, I called him over. I thought you liked Gary. No, he's one of Gary's friends, and my friend too, so. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, like I was gonna say, Gary went into the freezer. What? Well, the refrigerator, and he went into the refrigerator dimension. That's what we call it, at least. Wait. So, we're on his bed right now. He's in there. Yeah, I covered him up. Okay, so I think I know what happened. I think it was because of this machine, this thing. A Tinocchio phone, or whatever it's called, Pinocchio, whatever. I turned it into a dimension making and traveling machine. And it probably just fused with the refrigerator. What? So you're telling me I got hypothermia? Oh, my eyelid came off. Okay, sorry about that. Like I was saying. So you're telling me that I got hypothermia because of that phone? Yeah. Wow, Tinocchio phones are indestructible! Hold up, let me move myself. First person view of Gary. I thought you were indestructible! Okay. One more hit. One more. Yeah! Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go inside. What did he do to my phone? I feel so much better after breaking that phone with a bat. What? What? Sick. Wait, did it actually break? Because that's like a Tinocchio phone or something. Yeah, I thought those things were indestructible. I'm so glad I did it. Oh, sorry, Roxy. Oh. No, it's alright, I guess. I'll just lay down right here for a second. I feel so much better. Gary! Now I have to make another one! No! Dude! Fine. I'll make this one safer, okay? Just don't break it like you did to the last one. It was fun. No, it wasn't! What about the discarded remains outside? Go clean it up. If it's even there anymore. Wow. You really did it. Gary, go clean it up, otherwise you're grounded. Oh, but I was gonna spend the night. I mean, you can still, but like, can't hang out with Gary. Fine, I'll go clean it up. Sorry. Clean it up. Fine. Yeah, I think he's just mad because he got hypothermia. I would have done the same thing for him, so. Definitely not going to be an antagonist or anything. Definitely not like that discarded phone's going to gain sentience. Definitely not.